trapped in the lifestyle loop, and how to break free. After watching this video, you'll know exactly what being trapped in the lifestyle loop means. You'll also learn a simple way how to break free from the lifestyle loop. Hi, my name's Rip, and hopefully you're getting some value from my videos. If so, before getting into the video, make sure that you subscribe. It sure would help me out. And hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I post new videos. Hopefully, that would help you out. After answering Robin's question about what does pay yourself first mean, I started thinking a little more about the basic answer. And I went down a rabbit hole. Those of you that know me know that I go down a lot of that. I said that it is important to always pay yourself first. Make sure that you create a habit of paying yourself first. But I failed to expand on why paying yourself first is so important. I'm someone that needs to know the why, just about everything. So I want to share that reason. Those of you that are like me, I need to know why also. One of the best books that economist Seymour Parkinson wrote is Parkinson's Law. In it, he wrote, work expands the week to time envelope allowed. Yep, I get it. That's me when I was at school. And I had a whole week, 7 days to get a book report done. You can believe that I had an all-out power play on the end of the 7th day to get the book report done. Even when I had 30 days to complete the assignment, I couldn't believe that I rolled up my sleeves late on that 30th day to attack that assignment. So I completely understand and agree with this observation that work expands to meet the time envelope allowed. He also wrote that a luxury once enjoyed will come to necessities. Yep, agree. You remember painfully rolling down windows in a vehicle? When people get in my truck and need to roll down the window, I always get this surprised look and question about how do I not have power windows? Power windows are a luxury that have now become a necessity. I bet that you can think of some luxuries that become necessities. Another observation of Parkinson that he's also known for is that expenses rise to meet income. Expenses rise to equal income. Most people would agree with this statement, and this is the thesis, what I call the lifestyle loop. So what is and how do we become trapped in the lifestyle loop? We get a raise, we have more money. We have more money, you spend more. When you spend more, we run out of money. When we run out of money, we work harder. When we work harder, we hopefully get a raise. This is what I call the lifestyle loop, like how we get trapped in it. Other factors that contribute to it are exposed by Parkinson's Law. The luxury once enjoyed becomes a necessity, and expenses rise to equal income. So how do we break through the lifestyle loop that we have become trapped in? The first step of any improvement is always awareness. Becoming aware and accepting the reality of where we are is always where we need to start from. If we're not aware of something, we cannot begin to start applying the specific solution to the specific problem. Which brings me back to starting the habit of paying yourself first. I don't care if it's just $1. You need to start paying yourself this $1 every week and start creating a habit of doing it. Why? I want to try to explain why this habit of paying yourself $1 a week is so important. Eileen and I literally made ourselves low, trying to pay our debt off faster. Not only was I never taught how to leverage money, but I also believed that pumping every extra dollar we had into our debts was the right thing to do. Spoiler alert, it wasn't. Learning how to leverage our money is one of the most amazing things that I've ever learned how to do. One of the biggest reasons that it resonated with me was that it just made perfect sense. So instead of making ourselves work every month, Eileen and I started paying ourselves. More simply stated, started putting money into a savings account that we hadn't touched in years. We did this every month before we started paying any bills. I have to be honest, it just felt really good after we started doing this. It felt like we were contributing to our future. And as our saving account balance started to grow and grow, I was feeling better and better. We actually accumulated a couple of birds, something that we hadn't had in years. When you pay yourself first, or putting this even into simpler terms, you will save your money first, will give your future self an opportunity to expand your personal cash flow. And anytime you can expand your personal cash flow, you get that much closer to financial freedom. talk a little bit about why saving money can be so difficult. Our minds create the sensation of instant gratification. Did you know that it's wired in the human DNA? Companies know this and try to capitalize on it. Understanding this, becoming aware of it, can help you make that positive change when it comes to your money. Saving money can be so difficult because our minds crave the sensation of novelty, which is over as quickly as it is experienced. For example, have you ever ordered something and waited patiently for it to arrive? You're all excited when it finally does arrive. Open the package, admire your purchase, and those feelings of excitement fizzle away. This is actually a perfectly normal response. The problem is that this can quickly lead to habits that have you spending more money to chase that shopping high. I propose that instead of chasing that shopping high, how about we start chasing a savings high? The same type of feeling that you experience spending money will now experience as you see your savings balances climb higher and higher. Also, by doing this, when you have more money coming in than as usual, you will start putting this extra money into your savings account right away, rather than having it in your checking account, where it'll make you feel like you've got extra money to spend. This way you avoid making the mistake that most people make when they have more money. You won't take on additional expenses. This doesn't mean that you have to have a frugal lifestyle, but let's see how this strategy allows you to break free from being trapped in a lifestyle loop. You get a raise and start making an extra $100 a month. Rather than putting all the $100 into your checking account like you used to, maybe you put $30. That way you have a little extra money to spend every month, and we're saving an additional $70. The additional $70 that you were saving is making you feel fantastic. And the best part is that you're optimizing your raise and ensuring that you do not get sucked into the lifestyle loop. Hope this helped. Thanks for stopping by.